Start by using Minecraft, which lets you plan out your buildings and structures before actually building them in Minecraft, helping you stay organized and visualize your designs. Another helpful tool is World Painter, which works like MS Paint, but for Minecraft maps. You can create entire custom worlds and then import them directly into your game. For inspiration and ready-made ideas, check out Building Incorporated, a website that collects free plans so you can recreate impressive builds other people have made. Installing mods is also a great way to enhance your building experience. Many mods offer new textures, blocks, and tools that make your creations look more detailed and visually appealing. Watching YouTube tutorials from skilled builders is another way to learn new techniques and discover creative ideas, but make sure not to spend all your time just watching videos. Finally, you can explore Papercraft, which allows you to print, cut, and assemble Minecraft designs in real life, like origami but on a bigger scale, perfect for decorations or hands-on building projects outside the game.